Joining us, I'm Andy Sirota.
And I'm Lisa Hernandez. Let's get straight on over to Brittany Jeffers with how local health professionals are responding to this news. Brittany.
Now, locally, doctors are saying that we need to continue to look at the data. But according to health officials in the UK, they say those two people who suffered an allergic reaction are recovering. However, as you mentioned, they do have a warning for those who may have a history of severe or significant allergic reactions. A warning issued just one day after Britain's mass vaccination rollout against COVID-19. U.S. regulators say they've had 2 reports of possible allergic reactions from people who received the shot. The 2 people affected were staff members with the National Health Service who had a history of allergies. While authorities haven't specified what the reactions were, the UK's Medical and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency is looking into whether those reactions were linked to the vaccine. UK regulators now saying the warning is for anyone who has a significant allergic reaction to vaccines, medicine, or food, or carries an EpiPen. This news comes as the vaccine is one step closer to approval in the U.S. The FDA is scheduled to meet tomorrow to discuss the Pfizer vaccine.
There are people that have had true allergic reactions to vaccines in the past. Those are extraordinarily rare. So if there are medical contraindications to a vaccine, obviously you shouldn't get it. But they're relatively rare.
Locally, Dr. James McDivitt with Baylor College of Medicine says some people should heed the warning, but Americans overall shouldn't be overly concerned.
Based on the clinical trial data we've seen so far, tens of thousands of people vaccinated, very minimal side effects. Again, body aches, muscle soreness at the site of injection, perhaps some low-grade fever, the kind of things you would expect with the vaccination.
Now, as we know, communities across the area are keeping a very close eye on the COVID-19 cases. And today at 1 o'clock here in Fort Bend County, we expect to hear from the county judge as well as a representative with the Health and Human Services Department. They are going to be going over the current risk level in the community. Reporting live in Richmond, I'm Brittany Jeffers, KPRC, Channel 2 News.
All right, Brittany, thank you for